Hey guys, welcome back. So this week in writing, we have been writing about how-to books, how to do something. There are instructions on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or how to ride a bike. So we're going to take a break though, and I need you to get your paper out that I gave you yesterday. Okay, remember you had paper, you had red cards that you can play for math, and you also had some sticky notes. Okay, so get your paper out. And I want you to write the sentence on your paper. I am at the park. What do you notice about my first word in the sentence? Very good. It is a capital, okay? So it is an uppercase letter. Now, watch me as I write the new sentence. I'm going to write, the dog climbed the tree, okay? The dog climbed the tree. The dog climbed the tree. Is this sentence correct? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. This sentence is not correct. Why? What's wrong with the first word? No, it's spelled right. It's one of my snap words. Good. It doesn't have a capital T. And when we start our sentences, we have to start with a capital letter. So I'm going to erase the sentence and start it with a capital. Okay, a capital T. Okay, watch as I write this next sentence. I played on the swings. I played on the swings. Okay. Do I have a capital letter? Yes, I do. All right, now I want you to try. You are going to write a sentence. I'm going to say a sentence and you're going to write it for me, okay? Let's see. The cat is in the tree. The cat is in the tree. Okay. Now, I want you to submit a video and show me how you wrote that sentence. The cat is in the tree. All right, submit your video.